Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial on the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to read values from an INI file and use them in your installer. I've already set up a package project in Advanced Installer and I've also prepared an INI file. I'll use the install path key from the settings section to set the installation directory. Additionally, I will display the key values from the About section in a dialog during the installation process. For this, I have already created a dialog where I've added two edit boxes to display the values, and I've linked each edit box to a property. The first step is to add the INI file as a temporary file to ensure it is available during the dialog stage when we display the values. To do this, go to the Files and Folders view, click on the Add Temporary Files button, and select the INI file. Now, the next step is to add a custom action that reads the INI file. For this, navigate to the Custom Actions view and go to the Add Custom Action tab. Here, search for Run PowerShell inline script and add it as a custom action without sequence. I've already prepared the script, so I will add it here. At the end of the script, you can notice it retrieves the values of the INI file's keys and stores them in the installer properties, which are linked to the edit boxes on the dialog. Additionally, the installation path property is set based on the INI file. Now, we need to schedule the custom action to execute before displaying our custom dialog. Specifically, it will be triggered when the next button on the previous dialog is clicked. And that's all. Let's build the project and run the installer to see the results. As you can see, the values are correctly retrieved from the INI file and displayed on the custom dialog. Also, the installation path is set to the location specified in the configuration file. Let's verify if the app is installed in the specified location. And yes, here it is. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.